Yeah, this is the DPC level of the building. They've already done the casting and chaining of the building, around the building. This process is a process where they use rods, 12 mm, 16 mm rods, cement, concrete with gravels to chain the building. That way the effect of the machinery does not tear the foundation of the building as the operations goes on during the hatchery. The building will carry about 18 machines maximum that has the capacity of hatching about 48,000 eggs per cycle. So it was necessary for the engineering of this building to be able to have a chain casting at the DPC level to hold the structure together so the vibrations of these equipments will not cause crack in the building after the completion of the construction. So this was carefully done around the building to chain the building in this form. Now they're laying the bricks to bring this building to the window level, dooring level, where we're going to do another form of chaining, which will be the beams that would cross doors, windows, and also allow the building to use a roofing pattern. That is a roofing pattern that will be able to control the water flow when it rains. So at this point, I think in the next 5 days, we should be able to get the level that we need for roofing. The only thing that could cause a few days delay is the chaining of the window level, and after then we'll need planks and the roofing sheets to get this roofing done. Then we'll go into the interior, which is filling of the building with mud laterites, then sharp sand, then German flooring the rooms that are going to be used for the incubating and hatchery. Then the rest of the rooms like office, storeroom will properly tile before painting. Then we use another form of ceiling. The ceiling will allow for ventilation of the equipment in the hatchery and incubating rooms. But that ceiling is going to be different from the rest of the place. So this building requires a lot of precision in this construction, in the finishing. Today we have about 30 people again on site. This will continue with these numbers to be able to meet up the target as we close in with the first phase of this project. Our goal is by Thursday, Friday is to open the second phase of the project, which will be actually roofing. The roofing will include the woods and the roofing sheets, nails, and other materials. So by Thursday, Friday of this week, latest on Friday, we'll go into the next phase. The incubating rooms and the hatchery are already partitioned. If you check very well, you see the sizes of these rooms, about 3 of them. This one is actually one of the incubating rooms. You have the second one, and you have the third one over there. They are the bigger sizes. Then you have the egg room. The egg room is the one that starts like a corridor and veers through. This one has the capacity to hold about 50,000 eggs when completed, with partitions and shelves that were placed on both sides of the walls. Then we can use other spaces if need be close to the incubating and hatchery rooms to be able to store other eggs that are coming out of the breeding area, where we're going to breed turkeys and chickens that will lay for the farm for hatchery over the next few months.